Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to talk about add custom balcony material in Crowd. So usually we will just drag balcony from from the Crowd here. Okay, usually when we want to put balcony, we mostly come to here. Okay, just drag the balcony here only. Okay. However, Aihouse have updated the new function, so we can custom the balcony also. Just click on it. Okay, and you just drag the balcony. Let's say I drag this one. Okay, drag already, you can customize it. Okay, so you can click on it. Same lah, the function are same here. However, you add one more thing in here. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, this one you can customize already, or by click on it, you can come to this function, aluminium door. Okay, so this one you will learn on the aluminium topic lah. So you can click on it, open the door, or if you want to change it, the size or everything, you can change it here. Okay, here, and the material you can change here also, handle also. Okay, so let's say I come to here. Okay, so click on this one. So this is the rear or the rear. Okay, so you also can change the size here and the material here, they are same. And one more thing this time, we can change the size here or the distance. So let's say this one is 1.8 bare deck. Okay, the deck. So let's say this one is 1,800. So maybe I put it 1,500. 500. Enter. So it will change. Okay. This is what the custom balcony. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.